perfecting your fishing adventures with PLUSINNO. Ready to elevate your fishing game? The PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo is your all-in-one solution for both casual outings and professional level angling. Experience premium durability and unmatched convenience, whether in saltwater or freshwater. Crafted from high-density carbon fiber mixed with fiberglass, this rod offers perfect elasticity and strength to handle even tough catches. The telescopic design makes it incredibly portable, ensuring you're always ready for an impromptu adventure. The precision-engineered HA 3000 reel features instant anti-reverse, a deep aluminum spool, and a smooth 5.2-to-1 gear ratio. With high-strength power drive gears, it delivers performance that seasoned anglers demand, effortlessly reeling in the big ones. This full kit includes fishing rods, reels, lines, lures, hooks, and accessories, all packed in a convenient carrier case. Specifically designed to make your fishing experience stress-free, this kit ensures you're always prepared without the need to buy extra gear. Elevate your fishing experience now. Join thousands of satisfied anglers by choosing the PLUSINNO rod and reel combo. Whether you're gifting or investing in yourself, many people have felt the benefits of this fishing rods combos, so do not hesitate to buy this PLUSINNO fishing rod. If you are interested in buying, check the link in the description below.